After walls drawing, we will need to create door openings. To create it, there are several methods. I will give you best method to create 2D openings. First, move this shape to be close to the drawings and copy it. Then make the depth 15 centimeters. Write 15 cm. Then make it component with Alt G and name it door open. After that, take a copy of this component, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste. I will paste it here, or better to start with that door because it's 1 meter and width of the shape is 1 meter. Then I will rotate it from here as a base point for rotation. Click on it, and this line as a reference direction. Click on any point on it and rotate. Then move the shape to the corner point. To set door side as 35 centimeters. Here not necessary to write cm. Then paste another copy and move it 15 or 10 centimeters. 15 is good. Make the width 90 centimeters. Then make front doors. Place this copy here. Then stretch it like this. And here as well to this point. Then the garage door. Ctrl V to paste. Then stretch it on the opening. This opening is the next. Paste and rotate the shape. Width of this opening is 140 cm. Move it to the corner and move it backward 35 centimeters. Office door. Place it here, then move it 10 centimeters. Make width 90. Then this lobby opening, Ctrl V, move this shape. This opening is 85 centimeters. Width in the sketch is 80. We will keep it 85. Move this shape to this point and make this side 48 centimeters. Then copy it, exactly align it as the bathroom door. Then backyard door. Ctrl V and move it to right 15 centimeters. And width is 90 centimeters. Next is door of the sitting area. Its width is 420 cm. Ctrl V, rotate from this point and set the width to 420 cm. Move it to this point, then make this side 60 cm, make it 65 cm to match the sketch. Now we have door openings. Then we go to Components dialog and click on icon of in model to reach components which are in the model, because we don't have any components except this one. So we will find it here in the dialog. We will choose it and right click on it, select instances, so all copies will be selected. Then unselect this copy. Hold Ctrl Shift with select tool, then unselect. Then Ctrl X to cut these copies and paste it in place in walls group. press V to paste in place. Then zoom a selected copy. Choose this line and right click. Then choose explode. We explode copies to erase the lines to create openings. Drag like this from left to right or Ctrl T to select none. Then press E to create openings. We keep on this line to represent difference between the floors and this line as well. Also this line. These two lines too, because of this floor is continuous. Also make it continuous to here or make this part separate. If so, delete this line only. And here delete this and this, cause reception floor stop on this line. Then here erase this line, and here we will keep on these two lines cause they are represent sliding door track. Now the floor plan is ready to add door blocks.